Get started on your research quickly in Nexis Uni using natural language searching. Phrase your natural language search as you would when describing the topic to another person. Enter the search as a question, use natural phrases, use a citation, or string together relevant terms without connectors. As terms are entered, Nexis Uni analyzes the search and removes noise words like what and is, using only the most relevant words or phrases. The results highlight the terms used. When the results are sorted by relevance, articles having the most of each term, or where the terms appear close together or as a phrase, rank higher in the results. You can also enter the search as a string of terms separated by a space. We'll use the search box at the top. An OR connector is used automatically, so you can string as many terms and their synonyms as needed. Select a desired content category and open a document by clicking its title. At the top, open the All Terms box to see a larger picture of the relevancy of the results. Seen here is the number of times a term or phrase appears in the article, as an indicator of the term use and relevancy. Search like you speak and let natural language capabilities find what you need. That's the power of natural language searching in Nexis Uni.